The 2024 Chevrolet Traverse debuts with a new turbocharged 2.5-liter i4 engine, replacing the current 310 HP, 266 lb featuring 3.6-liter V6. Horsepower is now higher by around 315 and torque jumps to 317 lb featuring. The i4 was a higher performing and more efficient engine, better drive quality, and fuel economy while continuing its ability to tow 5,000 pounds. The second-row captain's seat tilts and slides forward at the touch of a button, and the forward-facing child seat doesn't need to be removed to slide everything forward for access to the third row. All rear seats fold flat, and cargo capacity is best in class at 97.6 cubic feet. A power folding third row is standard on the RS. A large panoramic sunroof sits overhead, replacing the current setup with two separate panes of glass. Usual standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, high beam assist, and automatic braking when pedestrians and cyclists are detected.